Take a slow, deep breath in and gently let it out. Feel the air filling your lungs, bringing you life and energy. As you exhale, release all tension, all stress, letting it drift away like waves returning to the ocean. With each breath, your body feels lighter, calmer, healthier. Now, imagine a soft, warm light glowing inside you. This light represents your perfect health and balance. As it grows, it spreads through your body, healing every cell, restoring peace and strength. Breathe deeply and repeat silently. I am healthy, I am calm, I am at peace. Stay here for a moment, resting in this feeling of health and harmony. When you're ready, take one last deep breath, smile softly, and open your eyes, carrying this calm energy with you into your day.